sa Barako, Kawasaki Barako, napakatibay na panghanap buhay niyan. Kasi nga yung durability niya, akmang-akma dun sa para kapitan ng sidecar, maging tricycle. Di tulad ng ibang products, medyo mahina. Itong Barako naman, napakaganda ng performance niya. Kaya almost nung namin dito sa Makati, karamihan ng mga operator namin dito, Barako ginaba. Kawasaki Barako ginagamit.
Ako gusto ko nga yung Kawasaki kasi para matibay siya. At saka masaan talaga sa hanap buhay pag araw-araw. Sa chef na anak ko na magpaaral ko po tungkol sa tricycle lang dito.
Nang 2 taon ko na yung nabili pero hindi pa nasira. Magaling ang Kawasaki.
Malakas po ang Kawasaki Barako at matipid at hindi sirain. Malaki po ang naitulong ito sa pamilya ko at sa nag-aaral ko mga anak.
I've been working with Motorcycle Dealer Philippines for 20 years. I would like to recommend Kawasaki Barako for its power, for its good price, quality, and it really helps Filipino people in sustaining their daily lives.
Now, one of the big brands that we have, our flagship in fact, is the Barako 175. And we use that, or we market that for the tricycle market. Now, you might wonder, 175cc could be expensive for that particular market, but we have a lot of people buying it. It has a huge market share as far as TC is concerned. And the reason is, number one, because of its Kawasaki legendary quality. Number two, it's highly reliable. It does not break down unlike other brands. Number three, because of its strength, its pulling power, sustaining power, you can actually load in more passengers. So you can earn easier, faster, and so you can ROI sooner. We'd like to be the stronger number one in leisure bikes. So strong number one in tricycle, strong number one in leisure bikes, because we'd like to be the only one. Thank you!
Kawasaki Barako, malakas! Kaya ko, sumbong na, matibay pa.
Kawasaki.